We need to talk about peat. Compost is a nutrient-rich product for your garden that helps improve soil structure, acidity and moisture levels. It's great for use in flower beds, enriching the borders of your gardens and growing herbs and vegetables, but traditionally it's included peat. Switching to peat-free compost will encourage less peat extraction across the UK and Ireland, preventing the destruction of unique wildlife habitats and helping protect the environment. Peat is a naturally occurring substance made from the accumulation of decaying organic matter over thousands of years. Currently, it's being extracted much quicker than it can regenerate, making it very unsustainable. Peatlands create bogs and wetlands, providing unique ecosystems and a diverse range of wildlife, including birds, heath butterflies, jewel beetles, and many plants. Peatlands are also the world's largest land store of carbon, helping to keep emissions from the atmosphere. When it's extracted and used in our gardens, it breaks down very quickly and releases greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change. Totally. In fact, we use natural alternatives to make it rich, dense and excellent at holding water. Different alternatives such as soil conditioner, mulch, lawn conditioner and potting mix can all be used to provide different benefits for your garden. Ensure the product is labelled peat-free. Otherwise, it probably isn't. All plants can be grown in good peat-free compost. The difference is that peat-free compost often drains more easily than traditional compost, so regularly watering your plants with smaller amounts of water is key. Remember, when choosing peat-free compost, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and be prepared to alter your watering and feeding pattern. It's common for compost to contain small amounts of fertilisers, which can sometimes run out after around 3 weeks. So, use a liquid feed to boost nutrient levels. Keep leftover compost in a cool, dry place, like a shed or garage. However, older peat-free compost can be used to mulch your flowers and veg beds. Together, we can protect our environment. B&Q have partnered with suppliers to develop high-quality 100% peat-free formulations, and our peat-free commitment is part of our broader ambition to help our customers have greener, healthier gardens.